Hello, everybody. Let's continue with the class. In this case, we are going to learn the pronunciation of the S sound at the end of the words. So, do you know that the letter S has three ways of pronunciation?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
So, the pronunciation of S at the end of words. This pronunciation of the S at the end of words depends on the final consonant sound. When the final consonant ends with a V, the sound of the S takes the sound of a Z. When ends with a C or double S, the sound is IZ. And when it ends with P, the sound is a S lock. So as we can see in this chart, the first part, the first classification of the pronunciation of S is is sibilant. Sibilant is a hissing or buzzing sound, and the termination of the pronunciation of S is IZ. For example, if you see in the word, if you see in the end of the word as letters C, S, X, Z, double S, Che, Schwa, or J, GA, you need to pronounce this word as a IZ. But sometimes the IZ is written as SZ, EZ. For example, um, Alair, can you help me pronouncing the word with X? How can you
Boxes. Boxes.
Boxes.
Alair, can you
Boxes. Boxes.
correct? You feel the vibration of your throat?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and
Boxes.
yeah,
Boxes.
boxes.
There is a vibration.
Boxes.
Yeah, it's a vibration. So, and the second part is voiceless. And voiceless sound is the vocal cords don't know vibrate. Is the normal pronunciation of S. For example, if you see that your word ends with a P, K, T, F, G, H, P, H, you need to pronounce the end of the plural word, sorry, with a normal S. For example, sleeps, books, hats, clips, locks, grabs. Yvette, can you pronounce this word with the
Yes.
F?
Clips.
Again, please.
Clips.
That's okay.
The S now vibrate.
Yeah,
It's
correct,
correct, no? Yes.
correct. So, and finally, we have the voiced sound, and the voiced sound is with a Z. At the end of the words, if you see a B, D, G, L, M, N, and NG, R, and V, it takes the pronunciation of a Z. For example, crabs, words, bags, falls, dreams. Alay, can you tell me the pronunciation of this word with termination N?
Fence.
Again, please.
Fence.
Remember that you need to pronounce it with a Z,
Z. Yes.
with a Z. You need to use your vocal cords and they produce a vibration or humming sound in the throat.
Oh, okay, teacher.
Okay, can you
Fence.
again, please?
Fence.
Okay, that's okay. much better. So, Abed, can you tell me the pronunciation of the termination with S, with R, sorry?
Como que se cortó, ¿verdad?
Can you tell me the word with termination R?
Who? Me?
Yes, you.
Um, where's? Where's?
Again, please.
Where's?
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 So, remember, also remember that the words at the end in a vowel sound use the letter, the pronunciation Z for a S. For example, plays, sees, tries, follows, and continues. That's clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Now we have another
it's
chart
clear.
with some with more plural words. And you can take a picture, you can take a screenshot, because you need to pay attention, very close attention to this, because it's a rule and it's a key to different pronunciation of the S.
Yes, teacher, I got it.
Okay. So, anyone has any question?
Yes, teacher, I have a question.
Okay,
Can this sound be only at the end of the plural words?
yes. This is only for plural words, because as you can see, the plural words has a termination with S.
Okay.
Also, you can see that in third person is always has a have a termination with the letter S.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Another question?
No, teacher, everything is clear.
Not yet.
Okay, so let's continue with the presentation.
Yes.
I will project a short video where we can see some words that the sound S ending sound different. Please pay close attention to the rule because it will help you to do the next activity, because I have an activity for you. If you need to watch it twice, tell me.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
¿Cómo mejorar tu pronunciación en inglés? Hablemos del sonido que hace la S al fin de las palabras. Eso es lo que voy a explicar. Si quieres hacer una captura de pantalla. Este va a ser clave porque están todas las palabras que son plurales, básicamente, ¿no? Bueno, entonces, si termina en rosado, va a ser una S tranca, ¿no? Cups, stops, sleeps, hats, tranqui. Pero si termina con una de estas letras antes de la S, vas a hacer el sonido Z, que es la diferencia entre S y Z. Es que esto está como prendido. Z. Mira. Crabs, rubs, cards, rugs, deals, plums, fans. No es fans, it's fans. Z. Y por último, con estas hace is. Races, pauses, no es pauses. Pauses, fixes, quizzes. ¿Quieres mirar el video de nuevo y practicar?
It's very interesting, teacher.
Okay, it's clear, or can you see it again?
It's clear for me.
Again, teacher.
Okay, Eileen, we can see it again.
¿Cómo mejorar tu pronunciación? pronunciación en inglés, hablemos del sonido que hace la S al fin de las palabras. Eso es lo que voy a explicar si querés hacer una captura de pantalla. Este va a ser clave porque está en todas las palabras que son plurales, básicamente, ¿no? Bueno, entonces, si termina con esto en rosado, va a ser una S tranca, ¿no? Cups, stops, sleeps, hats, tranqui. Pero si termina con una de estas letras antes de la S, vas a hacer el sonido Z, que es la diferencia entre S y Z. Es que esto está como prendido. Z. Mira, crabs, rubs, cards, rugs, deals, plums, fans. No es fans, it's fans. Z. Y por último, con estas hace is. Races, pauses, no es pauses. Pauses, fixes, quizzes. Mira el video de nuevo y practica.
Okay, it's more clear to me.
Do you have any question?
Yes, teacher. All the words that have a S at the end of words, sorry, that like all the words that have a ES at the end of words, the pronunciation is with an IZ.
That's right.
Okay.
That's a good way to identify that sounds.
Okay.
Okay. As you can see, every consonant at the end of the words could be a key to difference the pronunciation of the S. This is important for you because all of the words that ending with S can have different meaning. When we okay, we have an activity. You need to classify according to the pronunciation sounds that you consider correct. Remember that you can help you checking the table that you watch in the preview.
How much time we have to do this activity?
I think that you can finish in 10 minutes.
Okay, teacher. Only these words.
Yes.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, Aileen. I bet.
No yet, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Remember that this topic is important because it will allows you to can differentiate the sounds and the pronunciation with the words that ending with s. Okay, I have some questions for you. Um, Eileen, where did you put the word grabs?
Crabs with the letter Z. Crabs.
Yes, and remember because that it word is a voice and there is a vibration.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, Yvette, where did you put the word cups?
Cups in the classification S. Cups.
Okay, it's correct. And remember that the cups and it's in the normal sound of S and is voiceless
Voiceless.
because there is no vibration.
Yes, teacher. Okay.
Okay. Um, please wait a minute. The correct order to the words is remember that the word with and with P, T, key F and TH um, are pronounced by the S normal. In this case, in the S is the words cops, the word cops. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Stops and teaches. And the words that end with V, D, G, L, M, N, R, and V, um, it's pronounced by Z.
Yes. Teacher,
There is, yes, Eileen?
so I think that the word teaches is in the classification of I said word pronunciation. Sorry,
What word, Eileen?
teaches.
Yes, I agree with my classmate Eileen.
Yes. Okay. It's not clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue with the presentation.
Okay. In this activity, you will form teams to practice the tongue twister. Term of 2 people, you have 5 minutes to practice. And the person that pronounces it incorrectly will have 1 point. Remember which one sounds with S, Z, or IZ. You can start practicing, please.
Okay. So
Okay. Um, Eileen, do you want to be my couple?
yeah.
Okay.
So I will pronounce the first one. That's okay. But
Okay.
I need that you tell me that I pronounce well or not. So I think the good pronunciation is she sells Swiss sweets. She sells Swiss sweets.
I think it's correct. She sells Swiss sweets.
Yeah, it's. I think the sells is the termination is with the set because in the traduction in phonetics is written with a set at the end, but I'm not very sure.
Mm, I think the same.
Eileen, can you repeat the word sell, please?
Sells.
Okay.
Okay, Alair, it's your turn.
Okay. I'm gonna read the second one.
Okay.
I think that the correct pronunciation is she sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the.
Seashells by the seashore.
Yeah, yeah, I think that's okay.
Oh,
Ready?
I think. Yeah.
Okay. Who
yes,
wants to start?
me
Eileen or
teacher.
Aldair? Okay, Aldair. You can tell me the tongue twister, please.
The first one or the second?
Whatever.
The first one is she sells Swiss sweets. It's correct?
Can you repeat, please?
Yes, teacher. She sells Swiss sweets.
Mm, can you repeat the word cells, please?
Sells
Okay. The next one, please.
She sells seashells by the seashore. She
One
sells
more.
seashells by the seashore. It's correct?
Can you repeat the word seashells, please?
Yes. Seashells.
Mm, okay. Continue with Eileen.
Okay, so the first one I think that is she sells Swiss sweets. She sells Swiss sweets.
Okay. The next one.
And the last one is she sells seashells by the seashore.
Okay. Okay.
I think
The correctly. Ah.
uh,
Okay. Tell me, Eileen.
okay, so I think that it's a little bit exaggerate the pronunciation um, to say the termination of the S, and it's kind of weird.
Yes. Okay. The correctly pronunciation is in the word cells. Is cells. Cells.
Sells.
So
Cells.
Sells.
She sells sweet.
she sells Swiss sweets.
Mhm. And the next tongue twister is she sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells,
Repeat after me, please.
she sells,
She
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 sells
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 seashells
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 by the seashore.
by
by
the
the seashore.
Only Aldair, please. She
Um, she
sells
sells
seashells
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 would be vibrator with the S. Seashells.
seashells
Okay, by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Okay, it's correct.
Teacher, teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Ali. Yes.
Um, what does the accent at the beginning um of the Z in the word seashore is the stress is the stress of the word
Which one?
the second one is
Um, the second one.
it is the stress this little accent before the schwa seashore.
Seashore. Yes.
uh okay, teacher.
Um, very good. They have a point of participation. Aldair and Eileen. Very good. I see that if you are understanding this topic, I like that it's becoming clear to you. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Any question?
no,
Not teacher, for me everything is
Okay,
clear.
yeah, it's clear.
okay. Let's go to the next slide, please.
Not teacher.
If you have no more question, we will continue with the feedback to end the class.
Okay.
Okay.
I want you to hear the pronunciation of the words. I would like you to tell me as you pronounce it of the first picture. Alair,
Yes.
what is the pronunciation? The
Um,
first picture.
I think it's crabs with S voice.
Okay, very good. The next picture, the pronunciation is students with S in the end.
Students.
The next picture, Eileen.
I think it's coals.
One
Coals.
more.
Coals.
Yes, very good. The next picture, the pronunciation is edges, edges with S in the end the word.
Can you repeat the
Any
pronunciation, teacher?
edges,
Ages.
Ages.
edges,
Ages.
edges. Any question?
Yes, teacher. I have a question.
Okay.
Um, um, what does the accent at the beginning of the A mean in the word age?
Okay. This is called word stress because the syllable is pronounced louder than the other. Mm, For example, ages, ages. Um,
It
pues, go,
sounds like it will be the capital letter. No,
Yes.
yes, it's
The
correct.
stress.
it sounds
Mhm.
like louder, I think.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So for the last time, we are going to practice. Repeat after me. Crabs,
Crab.
Grabs.
students,
Students.
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 cows,
Calls.
ages,
Ages.
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 Okay. That has been all, guys, for today. This topic is very easy. It's just a matter of identifying the words, ending, and practicing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher. See you.
Thank you, teacher.